Hello guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to edit your photographs like professionals do in Adobe Lightroom and get the preset which you can use whenever you want. Guys, if you don't want to repeat after me, you also can download this preset on our website. To do that, you should look for a password which appears twice on the top right corner as you can see it now. The link to download this preset you will find in the description below the video. Also, we made the same color correction for video. So now you can have your photo and video content in one style. Which is awesome, isn't it? You are able to use this loot in any video editor you got. Premiere Pro, After Effects, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut and even VN Editor for mobile phones. You can find the link to the video loot down below in the description. Guys, if you need the preset right now, if you have no time to watch this video and repeat after me or look for a password to download it for free, you can just go to our website presetstore.com and find your favorite color correction there. It's not for free but it's worth that. Every presets contains from 3 to 6 versions for PC and mobile platforms of Lightroom. Check it out guys. So, let's get started now.
For so long, I was living my life, oh so wrong, always numb in my mind, battled on, building scars from the night, so far gone, I was blind. So now that I found what I was looking for, I'm shining a light on the dark that I was coming from. It never broke me down to my knees, where it wanted me to be. Turn on the love for myself, go all down. I see me for me. Shining a light on the dark that I was coming from. It never broke me down to my knees, where it wanted me to be. Turn on the love for myself, go all down. I see me for me. For so long, I was living my life, oh so wrong, always numb in my mind, battled on, building scars from the night, so far gone, I was blind. So now that I found what I was looking for, I'm shining a light on the dark that I was coming from. It never broke me down to my knees, where it wanted me to be. Turn on the love for myself, go For so long, I was living my life, oh so wrong. Always numb in my mind, battled on, building scars from the knife, so far gone. I was blind. So now that I found what I was looking for, I'm shining a light on the dark that I was coming from. It never brought me down to my knees, where it wanted me to be. Turn on the love for myself, go all down. I see me for me. I see watch the sun as it falls out of sight, setting on all the shadows that I've overcome, pulling stars from the night, one by one, no longer blind. So now that I found what I was looking for, I'm shining a light on the dark that I was coming from. It never brought me down to my knees, where it wanted me to be. Turn on the love for myself, go all down. I see me for me. I see me. For so long, I was living my life, oh so wrong. Always numb in my mind, battled on, building scars from the knife, so far gone. I was blind. So now that I found what I was looking for, I'm shining a light on the dark that I was coming from. It never brought me down to my knees, where it wanted me to be. Turn on the love for myself, go all down. I see me for me. I see watch the sun as it falls out of sight, setting on all the shadows that I've overcome.
That's it for now. Your preset is ready. Let's look at other photos to make sure the preset fits great on its. Have a nice day, guys. See you next time.